Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a music track that matches your video's emotion and target loudness. Choose a reference like -14 LUFS to stay consistent. Once selected, check the license, royalty-free, Creative Commons, or purchased sync matters for distribution. Next, import the file into your editing software and make sure the project sample rate matches the clip. This avoids pitch shifts. Then, trim or loop the clip to match your video duration, so you can proceed to detailed mixing steps. Once the track is in place, align key hits to scene cuts using markers or a beat detect feature. This creates natural emphasis. Make space for dialogue by applying high-pass EQ to the music and gentle compression. Then set a sidechain or ducking trigger from the dialogue track so vocals remain clear. Automate volume rides for instrument swells and add short fades at transitions to avoid clicks. Make sure to preview with headphones and speakers, because balance can shift across playback systems. To finish, set your master to the platform loudness target, often -14 LUFS for streaming, and apply gentle limiting, not heavy clipping. Once levels are consistent, export using the right codec and bitrate, for example AAC at 192 kbps for online uploads, and embed basic metadata like track name and license. After exporting, test the file on phone, laptop, and TV. If the music overpowers speech, lower the music by a few dB and re-export. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.